for 2006, I think yellow really fit this car. That being said, I think it's time to change the color. Gloss Plum Explosion. Need some OxyClean for those shoes. Only people working in the shop with Yeezys on. Yeah, taking some advice from me, I guess, right? I guess so. The most comfortable work shoes.
Yeah,
right?
they're really comfortable every day.
Okay, now that the car's on that lift, the wrap team can essentially get everything much easier. I really do not want to build a Lakers tribute car, so I'm gonna have all of the panels removed and all the stuff removed so that it's gonna be really, really nice that every single thing, all the edges will be in there and cleaned up. That way, no one's gonna see like trims of yellow. So Robson is gonna start taking the front bumper off, some of the door panels off, get the mirrors out, get all that stuff out so that we can get every little square inch of what's visible yellow on the car, you know, taken to the new color. The pieces over here need to get cleaned up, the badges, all of those things. So we'll continue to do some build updates on this one. I need to get to the front desk because it's Friday and we gotta rent some cars.
All right, guys. So we are currently pulling out the interior panels here. This is gonna do a couple things for us. One, they're gonna be able to wrap this entire inside door jamb as well as on the inside here so that it'll completely look like the color of the wrap. You're not gonna be able to tell it's a yellow car. Also, you have to do this to pull out this headliner here. The headliner we're gonna be sending out to get a Starry Night style Rolls-Royce-esque light pattern up there. And you have to do that to get this roof spoiler off. Same thing, we gotta get that off so that they can get in there and it'll look completely stock factory like that color. We've got these vents off. That was the first thing we took off. They're actually over here wrapping them now. We can go take a look at that. So this is kind of, I guess, I don't know if at this point you guys will know the color, but it's gonna be this awesome purple, the entire car. And yeah, it's looking pretty awesome. Purple plum. We'll go take a look at the engine here. This is gonna be coming out today. Houston and I have been working on pulling this out forever. It's just kind of sat. But new engine should be here soon. We're gonna pull that out. We're gonna get all this interior stuff wrapped too, so when you pop that engine bay, it's gonna be perfect. But that should be here in the next hour, 2 hours. So, but total timeline, we're looking at probably about 3 days.
Can I just see this real quick?
No.
You want to lose the camera or you want to lose the air horn?
Neither.
I can smack the camera right now. You want to lose the camera or the air horn? It's starting to look really good, right? I mean, the purple, it's sad because I think I made a mistake, right? I really should have saved this color for, well, this is a great car. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this car. I should have saved this color though for maybe the hypercar reveal, because I think this would be the only hypercar in that color. But it's all good. Let's see. Not only are we wrapping the car, but if you can look up in there, you can see that we are going to be doing some interior work as well. We're gonna wrap the entire car. So we're gonna get these door jambs, we're gonna get all this stuff all the way through here, all in there. You see how good we're going in? I don't want to see any yellow. We gotta paint the calipers, which probably color matching the calipers to the paint or to the wrap color makes the most sense. And you know, I think it'll look the best. I don't want to have a Lakers edition car. Make that very clear. The interior seats with the yellow stitching isn't gonna kill me, but we've got most of the back panels out, the headliner out. It's possible that maybe I'll take the dash out and we'll recover it. I just don't know what color I want to do. If we went crazy interior, what should we do? I mean, purple on what makes sense? Purple on red? No. That if I unwrapped it, it'd be a McDonald's car. You know, purple on orange, that could do really well. But then at the same time, just paint the car, right? Like, I mean, at what point do you put so much work and effort into a color change in a wrap where you just, you know, have that? If we unwrap the car, it's yellow on orange. Black interior makes the most sense, but at the same time, maybe we'll go white, because yellow on white interior wouldn't kill us. I don't know. I like white interior. We just have to come up with something a little more unique. I just think that this car deserves a very unique interior. But at the same time, I just don't know what color. I mean, we can go purple on purple, and if I go yellow interior, or sorry, take it back to yellow, then you have a yellow on purple car, right? Which I guess has some sort of, you know, color matching. I'm not sure at all. All I know is that I really want to push that yellow button. That's it. That yellow button is the best button in this car. And well, you guys will know why.
Alright guys, so we just finished day 3 of the wrap job. Kind of finishing everything up. Little stuff now, we've got side skirts left, but you can see most of the side of the car is done. The top, front bumper still needs to be done, but doors are looking good. The big thing that we kind of tackled today wasn't much, but we got the calipers off, so those are going to be sent out to be painted. Interior's still kind of a mess, but the door jambs are looking awesome. They're still going to get the inside here just a little bit off over the top, but you're going to get a trim piece on top. Over here is just about everything, all the little stuff that is going to be completely purple. Hood is completely done. We've got one more fender, but as you can see on the fenders, it's all the way in there. There's no way when that door is open that you're going to see any sort of yellow. It's going to be crazy. All right, guys, and here's the door. As you can see, handles out, mirrors off, complete purple wrap all the way through. Same thing as with the fenders. When that door's open, you're not going to be able to tell, and that's a big problem with a lot of wraps, is that the outside looks great, but as soon as you pop the hood, the engine bay, open a door, it looks like a wrap. And that's what we're trying to avoid. That's why this car looks like a shell right now. So we'll see how it turns out. Fingers crossed. It should be